9 Supreme Court justices, led by Chief Justice Alphonse Owiny-Odolo, will be on the bench of the Supreme Court to hear the presidential election petition filed by the runner-up in the January 14th general election, Mr. Robert Kyagulanyi, aka Bobi Wine, who is challenging President Museveni's election. The other justices on the panel include Faith Monda, Paul Mugamba, Essie, Stella Arach Amoko, Ruby Opio Awari, Pastor Haise, Mike Chibita, and Ezekiel Mohanguzzi. Justice Alphonse Owiny-Odolo is the Chief Justice and head of the judiciary, which is one of the 3 arms of state, and it is the 4th most powerful office in the country after that of the President, Vice President, and Speaker of Parliament. Born on 18th January 1956 in present-day Agago district, Owiny-Odolo holds a Bachelor of Laws from Makerere University and a diploma in legal practice from the Law Development Center in Kampala. His Master of Arts in Conflict Resolution was obtained from the University of Bradford in the United Kingdom. In 1996, he was a member of the Constituent Assembly that drafted the 1995 Uganda Constitution. During the talks between the Lord's Resistance Army and the National Resistance Movement Government of Uganda from 2006 until 2008, Owiny-Odolo served as legal counsel to Riek Machar, the Vice President of South Sudan, who mediated the talks. In 2018, Justice Owiny-Odolo led a quorum of 5 Constitutional Court justices to uphold Parliament's removal of the constitutional age limits for presidential aspirants. Faith Essie, Kalikwani Monda, is a Ugandan lawyer and judge who has served as a justice of the Supreme Court of Uganda since 8 September 2015. Faith Monda holds a Bachelor of Laws from Makerere University and a diploma in legal practice awarded by the Law Development Center. Her Master of Laws was obtained from De Montfort University in Leicester in the United Kingdom. In 1979, she was appointed Grade 2 Magistrate in Kampala. In 1984, she enrolled as an advocate of the High Court of Uganda from 1987 until 1990. When she was confirmed, she served as an acting Chief Magistrate in Jinja. In 1994, Faith Monda was elected as the woman delegate representing the town of Jinja in the Constituent Assembly, which promulgated the 1995 Uganda Constitution. Justice Monda was in 2001 appointed to the High Court of Uganda. In 2005, she was appointed Inspector General of Government (IGG), where she served for 4 years. She's the founder partner of the law firm of Monda and Company Advocates. Esther Mayambala is a Ugandan judge who was appointed the Supreme Court of Uganda in July 2009. Prior to that, she served as a lecturer at the Faculty of Law at Makerere University, Kampala. She holds a degree of Bachelor of Laws from Makerere University and a diploma in legal practice from the Law Development Center, also in Kampala. Esther Mayambala holds a degree of Master of Arts in Women's Rights from Georgetown University Law Center in Washington, D.C. In April 2013, she was appointed the chair of the East African Judicial Committee. In September 2013, Esther Chisache was elected as the new president of the National Association of Women Judges in Uganda. Stella Arach Amoko is a Ugandan judge who has served as a justice of the Supreme Court of Uganda since 20th June 2013. Arach Amoko served in the Uganda Attorney General's chambers from 1979 until 1997, rising from a state attorney to commissioner for civil litigation. In 1997, she was appointed a High Court judge, serving in that capacity until 2010. Justice Stella Arach Amoko served at the East African Court of Justice from 2006 until 2008 as a judge, and from 2008 until 2013 as a deputy principal judge of the First Instance Division. In her career on the bench, Justice Arach Amoko has handled many election cases. Ruby Opio Awari, also Ruby Awari Opio, is a Ugandan lawyer and judge who has served as a justice of the Supreme Court of Uganda since September 2015. Born in Dokolo district in 1953 to the late Samwiri Opio Awari, Justice Opio Awari holds a Bachelor of Laws from Makerere University in Kampala and a diploma in the legal practice from the Law Development Center. His Master of Laws was also obtained from Makerere University. His career started in 1982 as a legal assistant in Soroti district. In 1983, Opio Awari was appointed a Grade 1 magistrate. He gradually rose through the ranks and in 1998 was appointed a judge of the High Court. In 2014, he was promoted to the Uganda Court of Appeal, and in September 2015, he was elevated to the Supreme Court of Uganda. Ezekiel Mohanguzzi is a Ugandan lawyer and judge. He started his legal career in 1977 as a state attorney and left in 1980 for private practice, only to return to public office in 2005. His last assignment at the High Court was in the International Crimes Division of the court. He served as a member of a 3-judge tribunal that tried 14 men who were accused of carrying out the murders of Muslim clerics in Uganda between 2014 and 2015. Justice Person Naitu Haise was elevated to the Court of Appeal in 2018. Prior to that, she was the head of the Family Division of the High Court and also a member of the Governing Council of Judicial Training Institute. She was on the panel of the International Crimes Division in the case of Uganda versus Siraj Kawoya and 13 others, which involved various Muslim clerics who were accused of assassinating rival Muslim leaders. Previously, Justice Tuhaise served as a Deputy Director at LDC, Vice Chairperson of Electricity Disputes Tribunal, Commissioner at Uganda Law Reform Commission, National Coordinator of Women and Law in East Africa, Uganda Chapter. Justice Mike Chibita. He served at Masaka and Fort Portal High Court as resident judge from 2010 till 2011 and 2011 till 2013, respectively. Between 1996 and 2003, he served as a private secretary, legal affairs to President Museveni. He returned to the Attorney General's chambers as a principal state attorney, a position he held from 2003 to 2005. Paul Kahawale Mugamba is a Ugandan lawyer and judge who has served as a member